Karen Charbonneau, Saratoga Home Team of the Miranda Real Estate Group, here with Anna Smith of Prime Lending. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, Miss Karen. I'm fabulous. How are you today?
I'm doing great. What a wonderful day. We're here to talk about renovation loans today.
Woo-hoo.
And I know that you have your company, which I love, Prime Lending, has a lot of different products for renovation loans, which makes it very easy for me as a realtor to find the right house for a person because you have so many different products.
Mm-hmm.
So if you would tell us a little bit about the different types of renovation loans that you have, what a renovation loan is, and then the different types of renovation loans with different down payments, so on and so forth.
Sure, I can definitely talk about all of that jazz. Loaded question, I love it. All right, so first things first, what would you use a renovation loan for? So let's say you find that perfect house in the perfect location, but it is missing something that you want, like a sunroom, or it needs an updated kitchen, or it has some issues with it. You can actually use what's called a renovation loan to purchase that property and roll in those renovations right into your primary mortgage, which is pretty sweet. The other thing that I want to say about that is, we have a lot of different down payment options for people. So if I don't have a renovation loan then it doesn't exist out there, because we offer probably about 20 different products, which is pretty sweet. So, and as far as those products go, we offer, a 3.5% down 203K loan. That's an FHA type loan. We offer a conventional renovation program at as little as 5% down.
And the one I'm excited about is for veterans.
For veterans, we offer a VA
loan.
renovation loan, which
That's
I
great.
don't know very many banks that offer that, and that's of course
fabulous.
0% down.
So if someone's looking for a house and their dollar is being stretched a little bit as far as their debt to income ratio, I know with VA and FHA loans, there are certain things that we're looking for as a realtor that I'm looking for in the house to make sure it meets. And just because it's not a perfect house, doesn't mean that they can't buy it. They just need to consider a renovation loan.
Exactly.
Which I'm excited about, because I tell people what's the three most important things in real estate: location, location, and location. So if you find a house in the right location and it's not perfect, we can look at the renovation loan.
Exactly.
It's a little bit more work to get a renovation loan as far as getting quotes. You mentioned something which is very important: who can do the work with a renovation loan?
Not the clients. Unfortunately, when you're working with a bank-controlled renovation, they want an actual contractor, not your employer, not a family member, or not you doing the work. So that's an important part of the renovation.
Okay, great, okay. Something we talked about today that I was not aware of is you actually can get a loan to install a pool. So once you own a house, and if you want to install a pool, you can get a loan for it.
Well, actually, that's sort of right. We
Okay.
could refinance the house and renovate and actually use the pool escrow to put the pool in. Or if you want to purchase a house, let's say you find the perfect house, but you really wanted a pool,
Okay.
you could purchase the house and use an escrow program through us to actually put the pool in after you close on it.
Okay,
So that's
great.
how that works.
It's still an option, and you
Yes.
would know all of the ins and outs and specifics. For each individual, it's going to be a different situation.
And the people watching, while they're having a lot of fun, don't want to hear all of the details. about
Right,
the mortgage.
exactly. We don't want to make this a 60-minute video. So
Or everybody
call
just
you, because every individual is going to have different criteria, different things that need to be done in the house when it comes to a renovation loan, and you know all the ins and outs about what can be done and how to do it and
Yeah.
what the requirements are. Great.
Yes.
Anything else about renovation loans?
Well, I think that it's actually a very simple process compared to what people may think. There's a little additional paperwork, but we process and underwrite everything in-house at Prime Lending, so it's not an extra special process.
Makes it a lot easier. Great.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Thank you for your time. Hope you learned something about renovation loans from Anna Smith, Prime Lending. Have a great day.
Thanks, Karen.